This will save you from moths. Take a wet baby wipe and place it on a board. Then, grab some rice grains, as rice is a great scent carrier and absorbs moisture, preventing mold in your closet. Place a spoonful of rice on the wipe and choose your favorite perfume or essential oils. Spray the rice grains with the scent. Fold the wipe over the rice and tie the ends with string or a rubber band, creating a small scented pouch. Repeat the trick with different scents to create a variety of aromas for your closet. Place these small pouches in your wardrobe, on shelves, or in drawers. They will protect your clothes from moths, and the lovely fragrance will last for a long time. After a few days, when the scent fades, replace the pouches with new ones to keep your wardrobe fresh. You can also experiment with different scents to find the perfect combination for your closet.